This time we are going to discuss the derivative of a quotient. In other words, we are going to talk about the division. So, the numerator is going to be my u. The denominator is going to be my v. Now, many students get confused about the formula for quotient. Okay, I mean, they don't remember which term goes first, v times u prime or u times v prime. I always remember that in the denominator I have v, okay, v squared. So I always write first v in the numerator. So v times u prime minus u times v prime, okay, v. So I have my u equals x. Derivative of u prime is equal 1. V is equal x plus 1. V prime is equal 1. So now we're supposed to plug in whatever we obtain to the formula. So if y prime is equal v in the numerator, so I have x plus 1 times u prime is equal 1 minus u is equal x times v prime is equal 1 over v squared. So I have x plus 1 square. So if y prime is equal x plus 1 minus x over x plus 1 to the second power. This is equal. X minus x is 0, so I have 1 over x plus 1 to the second power. And this is the solution to my problem.